Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. And this is the fourth flight, I would say, for a GooSky S2 Legend mini 3D RC helicopter, dual brushless motors, direct drive. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's getting slightly windy. It drifts. But in this video, I would say, if somebody asks me how easy it is to fly S2 for beginners, I would say, see, just like any other 3D, dual brushless motor RC helicopters with 6G gyros, it has that, and it's very, very stable in 6G mode. If you have set it properly and there are no winds, it's really nicely trimmed out. It's very hands-free. So it does give you, like beginners, some time to think, but if you're a complete beginner of RC helicopter, I would suggest you try the GPS-based RC helicopters. Otherwise, it's a very, very long curve to learn. And if you want to get such kind of 3D helicopters, I would suggest get a flight simulator, and it will be easier for you to learn to fly and even do 3D. So here we go with 3D. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll just keep it mild. I haven't tried changing agility settings. I would say I'm happy with these settings for now, because I like to do mild 3D just like this. More control, you have more time to think and control. But I found that if you keep the head speed higher, it actually helps to do better control, and you have more power to get out of tight spots if you get, if you get into those. Because having to have more head speed, the motor will not bog if you give higher punch. Just like this, see? By the way, yes, it has, mashallah, so much power. It does not bog. Whoa, that was not right. I better keep it higher where I can actually see it, and probably I will have more time to take this angry bee away from me. Yes, I've been practicing this rotating inverted flight, and I did it in real life, mashallah, alhamdulillah. I'm happy that even after repair, mashallah, helicopter is actually doing very nice. I don't feel any difference. It's flying just like it was new. Yeah, my side TikToks still need to improve. And it is very fast. Remember, once you get into, you know, 3D mode, it is fast and very stable, mashallah. All right, people. So this was the 4th flight of S2 Legend, and we will conclude by trying to do auto rotation from this altitude. Okay. I dropped it. No, so they cannot do auto rotation, man. They really cannot do auto rotation. So let's just hope I didn't bend my feathering shaft again. Nah, I didn't bend my feathering shaft, and blades are tracking properly as well. Uh-oh, ran out of battery completely. Okay, so let's conclude this flight. So this was the 4th flight, and it went very well, alhamdulillah, on the S2 Legend from GooSky. So far I can say it's really amazing. Performance is very nice. Motor does not bog. It's a hot day today, though sun is not shining, but still I can feel motor has some temperature, but it's not overheating. I can touch and hold my fingers there as long as I want. So it's hot, but it's not overheated. Overheated means you cannot even touch it for 1 second or 2 seconds or maximum 3 seconds. So to say now, if you want to compare it with M2 OMF Hobby, I would say wait once again until the M2 Evo comes out, because that would be of same size. And I heard that they are also, OMF Hobby also going to release an app so that you can tweak the settings of your flight controller using the Bluetooth, which is very, very nice. Everybody is moving in the right direction, and we consumer are having fun with this and enjoying flying this. But please keep the prices lower, people. I mean, this is the message to the manufacturers. Please keep the prices lower. Don't make those insane prices. So for the comparison, you have to wait. Until then, I would say GooSky S2 Legend, definitely a 2 thumbs up mini 3D RC helicopter, dual brushless motor, direct drive. Plenty of power, plenty of performance, available app on Android using Bluetooth. You can tweak the settings. Flight controller is very, very precision based. It's doing absolutely an amazing job. As I said, what I practiced in flight simulator, the way my helicopter behaves in flight simulator, this one is almost exactly the same way, and I'm having fun performing my new routines. As you just saw that I was inverted and rotating and flying circle around, that was the move I was practicing, and I flew on this, and it went surprisingly the same way with the same feel. Because when I'm flying on flight simulator, yes, I'm using my Futaba 14 SG, so the way helicopter performs in my flight simulator, GooSky S2 is performing the same way. Thank you very much for watching this video, people. If you're looking for a good 3D RC helicopter with dual brushless motor, direct drive, once again I would say GooSky is here. The link is in the video description. There's M2, there's Ishin, so there are a lot of choices for you. Once again, if you want to get into direct drive 3D RC helicopters, I would suggest go for the helicopter that is easily available in your region. Parts are easily available in your region, because you'll crash and you need to repair, and of course customer support from the company. Have fun, people. Give this video a big like and stay subscribed to my channel. Hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Come on, you know what to do.
hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.